copy of your mom's or your dad's trust. And these really come in two variations. This first variation is where both mom and dad have passed away, and now let's say an older brother or sister is the trustee and refuses to provide you with a copy of the trust. Under Probate Code 16061.7, your trustee sibling must provide you with a true and correct copy of the trust as of your parent's date of death within 60 days of the last parent to die. So that's something that must come. If the first parent dies, that's another scenario we're going to talk about in just a second. But once both parents are gone, the trustee generally has 60 days within which to provide you with a true and correct copy of the trust. Now, let's change the facts up a little bit. Let's say that your mom is married to someone who's not your dad, and your mom passes away first, and your stepfather or your mom's husband is still living and looks like he'll be living for the next 10 years. Should you ask to see a copy of the trust? And as always with lawyers' advice, it depends. It depends on how old your stepfather is. Is he close to passing? You may not want to do anything. If he's young and you feel like maybe they're abusing the trust that's left behind for you, or you believe there's a trust that's left behind for you and it's being abused, well, you may need to ask for a copy of the trust. Keep in mind, anytime we see, or most times when we see beneficiaries ask a step parent for a copy of the trust, and you compel that that copy be turned over to you, if you are a beneficiary of that step parent's trust, chances are you won't be when they pass away. So keep that in mind. It's a delicate balancing. If step parent's still alive and is elderly and may not be long for the world, it's better, in our opinion, to wait. But if they're young and you believe they're abusing a trust that may have been left for you, you have really no choice, in our opinion, other than to go and get a copy of the trust, but know that they're going to disinherit you from their trust if you are a current beneficiary of it. You'll still get what you're entitled to under any other trust, but their trust, more than likely, they will disinherit.
Albertson and Davidson is here to help you fight for your inheritance. Check out aldavlaw.com for our complete library of helpful legal videos and articles from your favorite California trust and will litigation law firm, Albertson and Davidson, LLP.